straight up snapped the belt. It almost threw me in the wall like right away.
Stupid bolt.
So we transferred everything from the CRV into the Mustang, you guys, and check this out. We managed to fit everything in here. Drag pack, well, just the two rears, camera gear, tanks. Where's the fire extinguisher?
It's in the front.
Oh, is it?
Behind my
Okay. We got chairs, camping chairs, bed here, right? You know, all the good stuff. Coming to the front, we got 2 jugs, 5-gallon, you know, gas tanks on both sides, clothes, helmet, sleeping tent, you know, tent, camera gear, NOS bottle. I mean, we got it all in here. I'm surprised it fit. Very surprised in the Mustang, you guys. Love this car. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, so this would be like day 1 of Brainerd, BR, Proving Grounds, all the good stuff. Pretty good night of sleep. It was okay. I think we're ready to rock and roll, except the guys aren't up here, and I need a jack, you know, for the Mustang over there. And so we gotta go find a jack real quick. I know everyone here should have a jack, but yeah, I'm probably gonna find someone that I actually know to go ask for a jack first. But yeah, so this is it. We're gonna do a roll race in a bit. Hopefully, I don't even know what's gonna happen. I got so much camping gear in the back of the Mustang. Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work out too, you know. So it is bright and early, no one else is up. I really want to do a cold start to wake everyone up, but God, that sounds good. Yeah, fire's right up, you guys. Yeah, wake up, wake up. All right, so we are at tech support, you guys. We got the Mustang parked out here. We got all kinds of people for drag and rolls. I'm pretty nervous. There's a lot of quick people up here. Everyone's from all kinds of states. So, yeah. Well, we got a lot of Vipers out here, you guys. With an AMG, you know, 3A, C63, Vipers, all sorts of things out here, you guys. Mustang, let's get it. Alrighty, boys. Nervous here. Nervous. Well, you guys, the first pass, I don't know what happened. It just straight up snapped the belt. It almost threw me in the wall like right away. So, Jesus Christ, like Mustangs. First test hit, like, I mean, I should have rolled into it, but like I did roll into it pretty good, I thought. But snapped right away.
Right away, when you passed me, I was like, oh, something's wrong.
Well, like it was just 40 roll. I just rolled into it and then went zing, and then I
thought you just let off because you were spinning. And
I did. Oh, yeah, I spun. I was like, at first I was pissed. I spun, then I stepped on it a little bit. And then it said battery. I'm like, uh oh. Guys, so we are trying to fix the Mustang. Obviously, we snapped the belt. The design of this is just horrible, trying to get the belt out. So yeah, it's so hot. Ow! 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 That shit's hot. We got gloves. I got gloves. Alright, we got gloves. The belt's in the way. I need like a wrench. When in doubt, channel locks it out. Oh, oh my gosh. Hey, yo. Who designed this bolt here? There's my blow-off valve, right? I can't take off the bolt, you stupid bolt. Oh my goodness. Well, it's unfortunate I broke a bell in the first pass. I didn't even get to feel the power. All I know is I almost hit the wall again. So that would have been real great. But we gotta walk all the way to the gate. We got some people that bought some belts for us. So hopefully they work. Hopefully get the Mustang up and running.
One more.
It opens and closes.
Well, we got the Mustang back up and running. Thank you, my guys. Everyone out here. Toolbox, wife. That was a 3-hour pain in the ball sack. Let's just see what it can do again. Maybe just take it easy, man. Well, you guys, that's gonna do it for PG 2022. We're on the way home. A lot of people have packed up and left. But yeah, we are on the way home. So, time for another amazing 2-hour journey. Here we go. Let's get it, Mustang. There we go, guys. First time in a drift car ever. All right, so we are back at home, and just looking back at the footages and whatnot, like, oh. Yeah, I don't know what exactly happened. It spun pretty bad, and so my rear tires I'm running, I mean, they're brand new. Brand new. I've had these for a couple hundred miles. Street R's, Poverty Stars, you know, all the good stuff. My tire pressure was about 20 PSI, which some people are saying that's way too much. You know, you gotta be running like 14 PSI. I just have a hard time believing I gotta run 14 PSI at this level. You know what I mean? I mean, those 2,500 horsepower Vipers are running just fine. I think they spun pretty good too. I'm not gonna lie. Everyone spun all day long there until, like, you know, after the first 60 foot, then they've finally able to hit it, nail it down the track. Everyone there drag, roll race. Everyone there had horrible times. Horrible times. You're talking about 9-second cars running high 10s all day long. Like, what in the Mustang can't hook? No one can hook. I mean, it just, I don't know what was going on, you guys. But yeah, just looking back at the footage, like, that was some scary stuff. I was like, really, I'm about to throw this Mustang back into the wall again. What the heck? So now that we have the belt replaced and whatnot, like, maybe we'll finally be able to do some more test hits. Maybe go to the track again. I don't know. But for my first time being at the track, it wasn't really worth it. It's just expensive to go up there, camp and whatnot, and just really did 2 runs. Really weren't even full passes either. So I don't know what we'll do for track purposes with the Mustang. I don't know. I really want to do track or drag and stuff, but I don't think it's gonna work out too well, guys. Peace.